F2 Lightning World Cup. Inappropriate repair using polyester. I've ground off the 6mm of chop strand and matte polyester that was on the top. So it looks like the foot was plugged out. Main worry was damage to the hole. So, don't know, that's about an inch little hole there. Soft, a little bit soft, a little bit undercutting there. Firm, soft. A little bit of cavitation under there. About that far, but the hole is solid all the way. Firm down the side. Firm. Okay. Sea breeze, what do you reckon?